Hi everyone, and welcome to another exciting tutorial from the Casino Factory's Responsible Gambler. Today, we're going to be looking at the game Baccarat. In this episode, we're going to be guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial on what it actually means to play responsibly. Because playing responsibly could really mean anything, from controlling your alcohol intake, smart money management, looking after your emotions, or not playing at all, which might be the most responsible. Okay, but let's assume we're not quite ready to go down that road just yet. So in that case, we've prepared for you a non-biased, unaffiliated journey into how to play, to help you understand also why you play. So whether you're a beginner, experienced player, playing online, or in a live casino, this will help you better understand how it all works. And it'll be a journey you're going to be happy you took. What will you learn on this course? As with all our courses, we not only teach you how to play, but we also teach you how the games are dealt. This helps create a much better understanding when you sit down to play, so you not only know what's going on the table, but also what's going on behind the scenes. And we all need to trust the person behind the cards, right? The key factor, as it is with all our tutorials, is that you gamble responsibly, and wonder why gamble and responsibly are even in the same sentence. If you'd like to learn more about gambling responsibly, we have a video series specifically designed for that, and immensely helpful if you're aiming to quit. Coming up, we'll begin with a little bit of game history to give you an outline of how and where it all started. Next, we'll take a look at your surroundings and examine the tables and the layout and some of the equipment used. To ensure that you don't get lost along the way, this will be followed with a quick guide to some of the terminology used. Now that you have all the foundations clear in your head, we'll move into the game rules and some of the variations. This will be followed by a chapter on systems and trends. Then we'll put it all together and take a look at some of the irregularities. And to top it all off, we'll do a quick recap. And if all that wasn't enough, we've included a quick bonus chapter on game etiquette and house rules, and then sneak a peek at the rolling program. If you'd like to learn more about the rolling program, as I'm sure many of you would, we have a special dedicated to that. Very good for both operators and players alike. So, if you're ready, let's get started.